Welcome to OnSign TV Expert Tips. One of our recently updated apps is the basic menu board. While this app is great for listing services, products, and pricing in a very clean way, the casual menu board version adds that extra visual kick in the mix, as well as a special offer section. Like the basic menu board, this app is data feed enabled, so we need a data feed to run it. Checking the requirements here, we can see which columns are required for this app. The minimum is a text field and an item price column. Everything else is optional, so let's get started and create a new data feed. Click on Manual Data Feed, or you can import it from source if you prefer. I'll go into my data feed, and the first column I'll make is the item name. Set type as text, and if you need a note for other users who might be editing this at a later point, you can insert a note here. Then I'll create the column item price by clicking on New Column here. Very important, specify the type as number. And that's all we need to run the app. For the sake of the preview, I'll whip up the other columns as well and assign the appropriate types to them. Most of these are text, the price is a number type, and the special offer image is the image type. I'll quickly whip up some imaginary menu items to demonstrate. There we go. The menu app has a special offer section, as you can see, which highlights one item at a time. That's why we need the image column here to showcase that special item. In order for the menu app to know which item is on the special offer, we need to add a toggle column. Create new column, set the type to toggle, and now tick the items that are on special offer, and they'll appear one by one in the app. Now that we have all the content we need, let's head into the app settings. Select your data feed here. You'll see all the columns are assigned automatically, so we'll accept that. Just be sure to double check in case something gets mixed up. On the bottom here, you can disable your special offers, and you can also enable them to appear both in the special offer section and the text section. By default, special offers will not be shown in the menu itself because they're already taking up space in the special offer section. A very important number to tweak is the number of lines per column, and I'd suggest changing this each time you remove or add a new item. You can have up to 7 items in one column, but be sure to divide the items nicely so the menu isn't misaligned or you end up with a single item on a page, like this. So in my example, I have 13 items. 3 of these are special offers, so they will not appear in the columns. These will appear in the image section. So I'll have 10 items in my menu columns, and I want a nice clean division, so I'll set this number to be 5 items per column. You can tweak the app further, but these defaults are mostly good as they are. It's just a matter of preference. Of course, if you don't like this green layout, feel free to play a bit with the colors to get it as you want it. You can even put a background image here, although I wouldn't advise that if it's a very colorful image. You might accidentally make some of the text unreadable. Lastly, some extra tips to make your menu look perfect. When selecting images for your special offer, make sure the item is at the very center, especially when you're using vertical images. It might be best to stick to horizontal images, by the way. Keep your subtitles short. Usually the first 5 words will be shown in this special offer here, so each word counts. This might feel restricting, but it's stopping you from adding too much text to the menu and making it look bad. Also, the more words you add to your subtitle, the font in the menu columns will shrink in order to fit all of that in. For this reason, in your subtitle column, limit the maximum text length. Limiting the text to 60 characters is a very good start. For a preview, this sentence is just under 60 characters. And that's it for this expert tip. I'll see you in the next one.